Welcome to Stormwater Drainage Solutions. In this video, we're going to be talking about the French Drain Man high octane corrugated pipe. Now this pipe comes in both solid and perforated versions. It's made out of virgin HDPE plastic. So that's high density polyethylene plastic, and there's no regrind, there's no recycled plastic in this, there's no fillers, it's 100% pure. The perforated version of this pipe has the biggest inlets of any pipe on the market. This is a high quality corrugated drainage pipe. Now, corrugated pipe has gotten a very bad name over the years, and this is due to improper installation, shoddy installs, and of course, poor quality choice of materials. This pipe is excellent for residential yard drainage, and I'm going to show you why. Take a look here. We have to snake this line through this landscaping bed around these curves, and then we have to connect into an existing corrugated main line. We need to collect that downspout that's by the front door because of all the water that it's dumping there. We're also going to be collecting the downspout here on the corner that is putting off water right next to the foundation of the home. Doing this with PVC is definitely, we can do it. It's definitely doable. It is a lot harder. It's going to cost a lot more. Corrugated pipe is very, very budget friendly for the client, for the homeowner that wants to dewater their property and get the water away from their foundation. As long as corrugated pipe is installed with a proper pitch and there's no bellies in the pipe, and what I mean by belly is an area where the pipe dips down and then comes back up, forming a belly. That is what we call it in the industry. Bellies collect dirt, sediment, shingle, gravel, debris. It creates clogs and failure over time. As long as the pipe is installed correctly and it's a high quality pipe, such as the French Drain Man pipe, there's no issues with running a corrugated system. Now, as it stands for French drains, this pipe has the most inlets of any pipe on the market. We can't find a pipe that has more inlet than this. That's why we love using this pipe for French drains. I'll go ahead and link in the description below a couple videos talking about why we like using corrugated pipe for our French drains over PVC. It just makes sense. Once you add up all the pros and cons and you really look at everything, it makes total sense. But I'm not going to talk about that in this video. If you would like to learn more about that, those videos will be in the description below. But this pipe outshines any other pipe on the market for French drains. The amount of water that we can take in on a single run with this pipe is incredible because of those inlets. The water finds its way in no problem, as well as air. So a lot of people don't know this, but in the dry season, once the ground has a chance to dry out and we're not getting any more rain, you want airflow to move through that system. The inlets on high octane allow that to happen because air is going to dry that system out. It's going to keep roots out. Any roots that may start to enter into that system are not going to be able to live in there for much longer once the dry season hits because they're going to get air pruned off because there's too much airflow through the system. Now here's just a little demonstration showing high octane performing that we set up. As you can see, water rises in a French drain and it always enters in at the bottom. We're gonna add an influx of water here in a minute so you can see how quick that water flows out using high octane. There is plenty of videos on YouTube that you can find showing this pipe moving a ton of water. I know that Robert with French Drain Man, he has videos, endless videos showing high octane moving water in his demonstrations, dumping 5 gallon after 5 gallon after 5 gallon buckets into a setup like this, and that pipe just moves that water with no issues whatsoever. High octane pipe has slots 360 degrees around the entire thing. So we do not have to worry about facing the holes down because it has holes around the entire pipe. That's one of the reasons why this pipe shines so well for French drains, is because water can enter in at any point of the pipe and it can get in there. As well as over time, if sediment and silt does begin to form and build up at the bottom of the pipe, it will not hinder its performance because water can still get into this pipe from the sides and from the top. And as long as you build your French drain correctly, it is gonna last you a lifetime and then some. If you need drainage work in the Tampa Bay area, give Stormwater Drainage Solutions a call at 813-614-3456. We build everything from French drains, downspout drains, channel drains, catch basins, you name it. If it's stormwater drainage, we install it. We also work on commercial sites as well. And if we don't do the work, more than likely, we know someone that does in the Tampa Bay area. So give us a call. If you enjoyed this video and you gained some knowledge from watching it, give us a thumbs up. It really supports us. It helps the channel out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will do my best to get to them and answer all of them. And I want to just take this time to give a shout out to all of our subscribers and anybody that watches our videos. You don't understand how much that means to us, that people actually find our content interesting and viewable. So thank you guys so much for that. And thank you for the support. It really means a lot. We're just a humble, small drainage company from Tampa, Florida. And while we're nerds at doing what we do, we still couldn't do it without you. So thank you. And until next time, this is SWDS signing off.